Let's crush a Sudoku. This one's called Full Circle by Philip Newman. So normal Sudoku rules apply. So we're looking for the numbers 1 through 9 in every row, every column, and every 3 by 3 box with no overlap. And then we have these quadruple clues. So digits in the corners must appear in the surrounding 4 cells in some order. So we know that 1, 2, 3, and 4 happen in these 4 boxes, but we don't know where. So we have no numbers in the puzzle. Wow, okay, so this is really interesting. So we have all of the boxes in this one. So 5, I'm noticing, appears on every single one of these circles. So I think that must mean 5 goes here. Because if it has to be touching every one of the circles, this is the only one that touches every one of the circles. So 5 goes there. We have 8. 8's going to be up here. 2's going to be down here. Or actually, I guess so it could be any of these 6. If it only appears twice, it could be any of the 6. So if a number only appears on one circle, that must mean it goes here, right? So 6, the number 6 only happens in this circle, so that must go here. Okay, interesting logic here. I don't think I've seen anything like this before. So 2 is down here. 1 only happens in this circle, so it's here. 9 only happens in this circle, I think. Yep, 9 only happens in that circle, it's there. And then 4 only happens in this circle. Yep. Okay, so I think we're going to be able to figure this whole box out, I would assume. Maybe not, actually. Because then we have... So 7 has to go in one of these 3 boxes. But 7 doesn't... Okay. Wait, so 7 must go here. Yeah, because 7 doesn't appear... Okay, that makes sense to me. So since 7 is in both of these circles, but it's not in either one of these circles, so... 7 could go here because of this circle, but it can't go here because it's not on this circle. And all 4 of these digits have to go here. So if 7 can't be touching this circle. So 7 has to go here. And then we're going to be able to figure out the logic for each one of these, I think. So what other numbers do I need? 3. So 3 has to go here because it's touching both of these circles. We need 2. 2 is going to go there, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 there. Cool. So we got the whole middle box figured out. Alright, well 4 has to be somewhere here, and it's here, right? 4 is looking at these 2, so 4 is going to have to go one of these 2. Okay. Anything else like that? So 6 is going to have to go in one of these 2 because it has to be a 6 in one of these 4 boxes, and there's a 6 looking here, so 6 is in one of those. 9, 8, 6. Alright, so maybe some of this is looking down. Yeah, so 3, same logic, is going to have to go in one of those because there's a 3 here. So I'm looking up and down here, I would assume. At 4, it's going to have to go in one of those. Oh, there's a 7. Okay, 7's looking down here, so 7 has to go in one of these. Are there more of these? 6. Okay, so 6 is going to have to go in one of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3, 4 has to go in this one and in this one. Is that interesting at all? Okay, so wait, now 3 has to go in one of these, so 3 is going to be down here, which is going to put 3 up here, which is going to place a 3 here. Alright, so let me run through that one more time. So since we knew that, I proved that 3 has to go in one of these 2 squares because the 3 was looking up here, and 3 has to be in one of these 4 squares because of the circle. 3 has to be in one of these 4 squares, there's a 3 looking here, 3 is going to have to go here. Now the 3 in this box is spoken for by these 2 squares, so it can't go on these 2 squares. It has to be a 3 in one of these 4 squares, so it's going to have to be in one of these 2, which eliminates these 2 squares from this 3 in this box, which puts a 3 in one of these 2, which eliminates this 3 and places a 3 here. Interesting reflective logic there. Kind of wild, honestly. Okay, so 3 and 6 have to go here. Now the only 2 numbers left on the circle are 4 and 5. They're going to have to go here, which is going to put a 4 here. Oh, and there's 4s looking down here, so this is going to settle. It's going to settle this 4 and a 5. So 5, 5. There has to be a 5 on here. It's going to definitely. I guess it could go here. There's a 5 in one of these 3 boxes, though. I think that is still possible. So it could go there and then in one of these 2. All right. So the 4 in this is going to have to go in that row. I don't know if that's helpful. 5, 5. So there must be something else going. Okay, so maybe there's another like interesting thing happening with the 6s here. So 6s for this bottom box are going to have to go here for this circle, and then that's looking over here, which is going to put 6s here. It doesn't quite look at it the same way. I was hoping it would decide one of these. Okay, but wait a second. Now there have to be 6s here. Yeah, there's six. So there's 6s in this box. The 6s in this box are going to have to go in one of these two squares. So it can't be these two for this circle, and it can't be this one because these two 6s are looking at this one. So it has to go here. 6 has to go there, which decides this 6, and that's awesome. We are moving a little bit here, which also decides this 6. Okay, so a little circular 6 logic there. Now we're going to need a 6 in one of these two, because we got 6s looking over here and 6s up here. Only 4 numbers left in this row, and that's just, it's 1, 2, 3, and 7. Is that interesting at all? Probably not. 4, 4, one of these has to be a 4, and it can't be this one, so one of these two has to be a 4. Worth taking note of. For this circle, I think we're going to get the same. So 4s, this can't be a 4, this can't be a 4, so this one's going to have to be a 4. And then these are 2 and 5. Oh, and that places a 4 here. These are 2 and 5. This is going to have to be a 3. There's a 3 looking at these two. These two are 1 and 2. Not decided yet. So 2 can't go in either of these two. It's going to have to go here. Okay, so we got a 2-3 pair there, which is going to make this a 1-7 pair, which is undecided, but I'll make note of that. So since this is a 2-3 pair, this is a 4-1 pair. We got a bunch of pairs in that row, actually. 2, 5, 1, 4, 3, 6. So the last numbers are 7, 8, and 9. Maybe that's worth taking note of. Oh, 7 and 9 are right here, so this is an 8. Because the last 3 numbers in this row, wow, you just have 3 sets of pairs. I don't know if I've ever seen that before. So this is an 8, and these are 7, 9. Nothing deciding that yet. Okay, that whole row is like kind of filled out, which is crazy. All right, only 3 numbers left here: 1, 2, and 5. Yeah, this has to be a 5. There's a 5 looking down here. It has to be a 5 on the circle. That's a 5. So this is a 7, 8 pair, and this is a 1 or a 2 right here. So 6s have to go on here. Okay, so 7 and 8 can't go here and here, so 7 and 8 are going to have to go here and here, which makes this a 6, 9 pair. Undecided. 7's looking over here, so this is a 4, 7 pair, which is going to decide this. Awesome. Alright, so 7 has to go there. This is an 8. This is a 7. This is going to be a 5 because this is a 4, 7 pair, so this has to be the 5 for the circle, which is going to put a 5 here and a 2 here. I thought that was going to do more work. Alright, so this is going to be a pair. There's only 2 numbers left in the row: 1, 2, 3, and 9. So we need 3 and 9 here. There's a 3 in one of those 2 squares, so this is the 9, this is the 3, which makes this a 3. I feel like this is all going to go pretty soon. We must be getting close because there's so many pairs out here. Interesting logic in these little circles. Alright, I must know more about this, right? Okay, so 7 has to go here. 8 and 9 are going to have to go here. We don't have any in the columns, unfortunately. Another pair for the books, and that's, I have notes on every single square of every circle, so hopefully those fall soon. So we got 1s and 2s here, and then we got 9. 1, 2, 9. 1, 2, 9. Maybe I'll take note of that. Oh, 9 has to go up here, so this is a 1, 2, and then we have a 1, 2 pair down here as well, which is going to put a 9 there, which is great. Okay, so this can't be a 9, and now we have 1, 2 here, 1, 2 here, so the 1 and the 2 in the column have to go here, which means this one can't be 1 or 2, which means it has to be 9. Awesome. 3 numbers left here, obviously 8, 9, and 2, I think. There's an 8 here. So this is either 2 or 9. There's an 8 here, which means this is either 2 or 9, which is going to put an 8 here. Oh, and there's a 9 looking here, so we actually just figured all these out. Alright, so this is going to be a 2, this is going to be a 9, this is going to be an 8, this is going to be a 9, this is going to be a 7. Okay, this is going to be a 9. Perfect. This is going to be a 9. This is going to be a 6. I knew it was going to start falling soon. This is a 1, 2, 2, 1. Alright, 2 numbers left in here. They are 1, which goes here, and 6, which goes here, which puts a 6 here. Only 3 numbers left that can go there. It's 1, 7. Oh, the 7 can't go here, so... Oh, 7 is down here, so this has to be a 1. Which is a 7 there, which means 7 goes here, which means 4 goes here. Awesome. What are these two numbers? 2 and 8. 2 and 8 undecided still. 3 numbers left here. They are 1, 4, and 8. No. Yeah. But the 8 can't go. Uh-oh. Oh, wait. I already have an 8 down here. So this isn't 2 and 8. That was scary. Okay. 2 and 6. And there's a 6 here, so this is a 6. 6, 2. What are these numbers going to be? 1, 4, and 8. Oh, no. Okay, so there's only 2 numbers left in the column. It's 1 and 8. And these are either 1, 4, or 8. We have 1, 4 right here. What are these 3? 1, 2. We need a 3, a 4, and a 9. 3, 4, 9. 4's here, 9's here. This is a 3. 9's there. This is a 9. 4, 1, 4. A lot of stuff settled up here. 1, 4, 8, 4, 1, 8, 1, 3, 5 here it looks like. A 1 there, 3 there, so this is a 3. This is a 1. This is a 5. What are these? 2 and 5. And what are these? 3, 8. There's an 8. Alright, there's an 8. 3, 2. That's 3 in the corner. That's 3 in the spotlight. Alright, so what's this number going to be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got a 7 here, I think. What are these two? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 9. There's a 9 there. This is a 5. This is a 9. What are these? 1, 2. I need a 2 and a 7. There's a 2. Alright, 2, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 8. Oh, okay, this was decided. 8, 7, 8, 5. And that's the puzzle, baby. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.